BLACKBERRY Motion, and let me show you how to enter here Fastboot Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together those two keys. Let's hold down power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as the bootloader and also the Fastboot mode pops up. So as you can see, this is both bootloader and the Fastboot mode, and here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here, for example, you can check out the barcodes, you can continue to boot up, you can reboot into the Fastboot or turn off the device. So if you would like to quit this mode, let's choose turn off or choose continue to boot up. So let me choose continue to boot up to boot into a normal mode, and let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. And that's it. Now you can unlock the phone and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.